Shattered Earth Stories, Disaster Breakdowns. In 2011, something extraordinary happened over Missouri. A tornado that did not grow slowly, but exploded into a monster. 1 mile wide, 200 miles per hour, and it formed in under 30 minutes. Today we break down exactly how the Joplin ef5 was born. The setup. May 22nd was primed for disaster. Warm, saturated air surged north from the Gulf of Mexico. Temperatures climbed, moisture levels skyrocketed. An instability, known as CAPE, reached extreme values. Above the surface, winds shifted direction with height. This twist in the atmosphere created ideal conditions for rotating storms. This was the perfect recipe for a violent supercell. The birth of rotation. Southwest of Joplin, a thunderstorm towered into the sky. Its updraft strengthened, and wind shear began tilting horizontal spin into vertical rotation. A mesocyclone was forming. Storm spotters reported a wall cloud, and radar confirmed tightening rotation, the first sign of something dangerous.
Okay, we're gonna have to move here pretty quick.
The boundary.
We're getting
A leftover outflow boundary from earlier storms sat near Joplin, invisible to residents, but explosive. When combined with a rotating supercell, when the storm crossed this boundary, everything changed. Rotation doubled, inflow intensified, and the storm became supercharged. Earlier, rapid intensification. The tornado touched down as a narrow funnel, but almost immediately, it began to widen. In minutes, the vortex expanded to nearly a mile across. Rain and debris wrapped around it, hiding its true size. The updraft was powerful enough to lift debris 20,000 feet into the storm. This created one of the largest debris signatures ever recorded on radar. Why it became an F5. Winds exceeded 200 miles per hour. Homes were swept from foundations. Steel beams twisted. Trees were stripped bare. Vehicles became airborne missiles. This wasn't just wind. This was wind loaded with debris, traveling at lethal speed. Only the strongest tornadoes on Earth reach this level of destruction. The timeline. From first rotation to peak ef5 intensity. The process was shockingly fast. 5:17, rotation begins. 5:34, tornado touches down. 5:41, Joplin is hit. 5:50, peak violence. 5:54, the storm weakens. Total time, under 30 minutes. The Joplin ef5 remains one of the fastest intensifying tornadoes ever documented. A reminder that the atmosphere can unleash catastrophic force with almost no warning. This is Shattered Earth Stories, Disaster Breakdowns.